Superior build quality, crafted aluminum alloy chassis with metal frame for a premium look while maintaining top-tier wireless performance. Carbon fiber positioning plate delivers a crispy typing feel and acoustics, simultaneously reducing keystroke vibrations effectively. Adjustable gasket mount, easily toggle between to cushion typing feels via a quick flip switch. Full color old touchscreen, view system info and customized keyboard settings. Built-in 3-way knob allows for instant adjustments. Tri-mode connection. Use Bluetooth to connect and switch between 3 devices at a time. Low latency to point for GHz RF wireless mode or standard wired USB. Enhanced typing experiences. Prelubed ROG NX mechanical switches and sound dampening foams provide smoother keystrokes with better acoustics. Hot swappable switches. Swap and install your preferred switch type for a unique, customized feel. Even though the switches are hot swappable, it is not recommended to swap out switches when the keyboard is on to prevent short-circuiting the keyboard. Experience zero latency with the ROG polling rate booster, and ROG exclusive accessory that upgrades your keyboard polling rate up to true 8,000 Hz in both wired and wireless mode.